Hi everyone, welcome back to the Forexhunt YouTube channel again. Hope you guys are doing great and enjoying the summer. So, what I have decided today, I wanted to cover a special topic that is daily storyline. So, as the name suggests, it is a very rare and complex topic. So, people has never mentioned this topic in their YouTube channel till date. So, I have planned to cover this topic in 2 or 3 parts, and I will definitely use the practical and theoretical approaches like I do, and I will show you the results also, how we identify the daily storyline and how the result goes on and on. And before that, let me explain in summary way what is daily storyline. So simply, for example, let's take the example of commodity, that is gold, my favorite and all-time favorite. So what happens in gold? For example, gold is at a price of 2050, and the path which it will follow that particular day, we have to understand what going to be the path of gold on the particular day. For example, it can go up or it can go down. So how we can calculate the areas, which areas gold will reach today or tomorrow. On the basis of that, we can calculate the zones where it can potentially drop or it can potentially fly after touching that area. Okay, because in engulfing, the main traders are reversal traders. Okay, the current market traders, like for example, the current market traders means you are taking an entry in the current live market. Okay, it means you opened the chart and you started looking for the setups in the current market, and then you took an entry in the live market. It can go up or it can go down using the critical levels. But what happens mainly, people use reversal trades. For example, gold is at 2050, you will take the sell at 2080 or you will take the buy at 2030. So this is how gold reversal trading goes. Okay, in daily storyline, you will understand which is the area, which is the perfect powerful area where market will go, it will touch, and it will drop suddenly with 60 to 100 pips spike, or it can fly up on 60 to 100 pips fly. Okay, so like for example, gold is at 2050, it touched into the area of 2030 and it started flying off. Okay, or it touched the area of 200 and it started dropping till the next support area comes into the picture and it touches the second support area. So this is how daily storyline works. It is the path which gold will follow on that particular day or the next coming day. So like daily analysis and daily storyline works similarly, weekly analysis also works, but people do not use weekly charts to form the weekly analysis. Okay, they depend on the daily structure, daily storyline, so that they can take the main trades. Okay, so this is how we will do it. And for example, you are new to this channel, you guys can subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of our weekly analysis for gold, like daily analysis for gold, and so many regular updates we keep on uploading on our channel. The second thing, you guys can join our Forex Singularity group. The link has been uploaded in the description. You guys can go check it out. We are having around 2,400 members there. You guys can enjoy the group signals also. If you want to do take signals only, you guys can DM us. We will give you the SOP for joining our IB group. And the second thing is that you guys can also learn in the public group also. We upload so many signals there. We mainly focus on pinpoint entries, and in every video I have given importance to pinpoint entries rather than layering, because in layering you guys can be profitable for 1 week, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but at the end of the month you will be in loss. So if you use pinpoint entries, you will be profitable if you are doing good things. So you will be profitable at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter. So it depends on your risk appetite, how you are utilizing the lot sizes. But in layering, it is 100% sure that you will lose your money, because layering, it is not definite. Okay, it is not definite where you will put your SL, where you will take the TPs. Okay, so avoid layering if you are using engulfing theory or any theory using trading in the zone. So trading in the zone is not for people with a small capital. Trading on the line is a good concept nowadays, because the people use a small capital. So in small capital comes with bigger problems. So you have to focus on pinpoint entries using a small SL of 10, 15, 20 bips. So to understand how to take this trade, you guys can DM us. We also provide mentorship, but if you are like already an existing engulfing user, you need not to join our mentorship. You guys can simply watch all the videos we have uploaded on the YouTube channel and try to learn all those complex things. Okay, so we have uploaded so many things on YouTube that gonna help you in your longer run. Third thing, FX Singularity is a group. We only throw 1 or 2 signals in a day, and we have a strong community. So if you want to join, you guys can join anything, whatever you want. Even you do not join, just check all the YouTube videos and try to learn the H4M50 setup or the daily storing setup, which we will cover. And we have also uploaded so many scalping videos and daily analysis videos, so you can trade on your own basis. So guys, let's move to the charts and try to learn how to mark the daily structure and use the daily storyline for perfect entries and the perfect setups. So see you on the charts. Now let's concentrate on the charts. Okay, so how to perfectly mark the daily storyline and focus on how to get the perfect sniper entries or take the idea of where market will drop or from where market will go up. Okay, so let me clear one myth, that daily storyline is not for giving you pinpoint entries. Daily storyline is for giving you the direction. Okay, so you guys can use it for direction purpose, or you can simply use the simple engulfing buy or simple engulfing sell with a combination of buy fail, sell fail. Okay, so in the last earlier videos we have already covered the thing that how direction can be determined using daily or weekly engulfing buy or engulfing sell with a combination of hidden engulfing fail or hidden engulfing setups. Okay, so this is simply a daily candlesticks pattern. You guys can see engulfing sell formed here, engulfing buy formed here, and this is a buy fail. Still market is going up. So let's try to understand why this rejection came here. Okay, market went up till 2358 or 2359, then it started dropping and it is already dropping 100 pips. Okay, so why such thing happens? Okay, so and the second thing is that a storyline is different from simple engulfing or hidden engulfing or bifill engulfing. Okay, we need confluences to match all these things together, then look for the break of structure and then we take the entry. Okay, so let's move to the notes first and try to mark the setups. For example, this is a red candle. Okay, the second candle started from here. Okay, so this is for sell candle, the other one is for buy. So let's suppose this is your buy candle. Okay, you have to focus on the OHLC. Okay, you guys can see now this is a line where market closed and where market opened. This is the line market closed and market opened. You have to focus these two things. So this is for sell story, sell side. Okay guys, this is for buy story, buy side, type 1. Hope this is clear now. You have to focus on the closing of the candle in daily time frame. Okay, this is daily time frame. Okay, and you have to focus on the other thing, that is type 2. So what is type 2? Type 2 is simply a red candle closed here. Okay, and blue candle opened here. You can say this one. This is the point of interest. Okay, in engulfing. So this is a V-shaped pattern. You can use line chart to mark. Okay, because like many people use line chart properly to check the daily direction, but for me, from my side, my experience, line chart is for only making the things complex. Use candles, pure candles. You can see here the closing and the opening of both the candles. So this is type 2 V, means support area. Support area. Now, if we have a buy candle first, like this, and the second one is red candle like this. Okay. Here also, if we have this line, this is our point of interest in engulfing. This is A shaped pattern, resistance area. This is the base of understanding A and V for daily story confluences. This is type 2 daily confluence. Hope you understand. Okay, so let's move to the charts again. Okay, so after moving to the charts, you guys can see we have multiple things here. This. So let's mark. Let's place red line for sell. You guys can see we have the opening and the closing. So in this area, we have to focus on the upper candle closing. This candle closing, I've placed the line 2420.55. In this area, we have this one 2378.36. Okay. For buy, we have this area. You guys can see this area. So 3 lines we already marked. So let me change this color to blue one. Okay. So blue, this one. Okay. I have marked this for blue, red, red. Now we have to find rejection here. Okay, you cannot find a pinpoint entry directly on the basis of taking the touching of the candle. Okay, so let's try to understand it on the candle first. For example, you have a line here. Okay, line here. Daily candle came here like this, touched the area and closed here. So this area is called rejectory area. Rejectory line, not area. Because this is the only line. Okay. So this is a rejectory line. Market daily candle came, touched and dropped and closed here. And this was, for example, this was this. Okay. This setup. Daily story. This line, market came after a sideway or even after 1 or 2 candles in daily candle. You guys can see market came, touched, rejected, closed. So this is rejector line. After the closing, this is the closing is your first step. The second step will be lower time frames. Okay, you have to focus on other lower time frames. Now moving to this. In this particular video, we will only try to understand how to place the daily story perfect lines. Okay, these lines, these 2 lines, 3 lines. How to reuse it, how to take re-entry, these are second other things. How to take entry on this basis, that is also other thing. Okay, you guys can understand now. For example, these 2 candles, place on the upper closing candle, I place the line. Here also, I place the line. In this area, we have a V. You guys can see red and blue candle, both closing opening. I have placed the line on the red candle closing. Okay, this is a V. Even if you use line chart, you can see this is a V. Okay, that's why I put my line here. This is also a V. Let's place a line here. Can you see? But market didn't reject here. Market closed below the line. So that's why market closed. So we will not give importance to the closing. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now move to other thing. This one. Can you see here? We have buy 2 candles. I have placed line on the lower one. Market broke the area without rejection. So in daily storyline, daily candle needs to reject like this. For example, this is my rejector line. Market came, rejected and closed. Now market fall 100 pips. It can go more down. Okay. But if market is not rejecting and closing out the line, that candle is not for taking buy or sell. Okay, so let's try to understand. This is a buy first. Okay, this is a buy, 2 candles, market came, dropped, closed. It means this buy is not valid now. This is now buy fail. So if market comes to the second time, then gets touched and reject, then it becomes a rejected line for sell. It was for buy, but market closed here without rejection. That's why it become sell. So in daily storyline, the entry you can find after a long period of waiting. Okay, you have to wait for a long period of time. You can also wait 12, 13 hours to get a perfect sniper entry. So this is buy, failed, market came, rejected, and market formed a setup here that we will understand in the coming video, and market started dropping down. This is how buy, fail worked as a sell. But what in that case? Okay, what in the case if market comes here, okay, it will touch and close here. It will again drop from this area till this line. This will become a point of interest and it will start flying off if it rejects. So this is how daily storyline gives you a perfect sniper entry to understand where it will reject and where it will go. So if it rejects from this area, it will definitely go to this area if it not forms any other sell storyline. Okay, or if it closes here, a red candle closes here, it will definitely go to this area. It will reject here, and then it will start flying off. This is how daily storyline works. Let's take a glimpse at the story. So this is our buy, fail, sell storyline now. So let me delete all these things and show you the perfect sniper entry. This is the line. Okay. So honestly, this is for buy first. Okay. Buy, but market didn't rejected and closed. Okay. You have to wait for the rejection first before taking any setup in daily storyline. So if the red candle comes here, touched and close above the line, then you can find a buy entry. It means the buyers are available. But market close here, it means sellers are available. The market came here, now move to H4 time frame. Coming to the H4 time frame, you guys can see we have a sell. Okay, we have a sell. We have a buy fail, the same area. Okay, and we have a hidden sell. Okay, so we have multiple confirmations for sell in H4 time frame. So let me delete all these hidden first. I dropped the hidden, I deleted the hidden and just focused on a buy fail only. Okay, so this is buy fail. So now within this we will move to H1 time frame. So coming to the H1 time frame, I can see I have a buy fail, the powerful buy fail. Buy fail, market came, and on the same line we have to go in smaller time frame, M15 or M30. Okay, so in this time frame, okay, just check here, we have a buy fail in small time frame. Okay, now I'm marking this buy failed. On the same perfect line, I have a buy failed. Let me drag it more, extend it to the right side. You guys can see I got the buy failed, market came and market rejected here. Market started rejecting here. So let me delete this H1 now. Okay, buy fail, market came, because market was not having so much potential of buyers. Market started rejecting because we have a pinpoint entry at 2364, but due the M50 setup here, okay, at 2357.53 we have multiple confirmations for sell. Market started rejecting from this area. M15 rejected first. Before that, M5 would have rejected, M1 would have rejected, M30 rejected, H1 rejected. Then market started dropping. After dropping, we went to M5 to take a small area confirmation. Okay, so in this small area confirmation, we can see we have a buy fail, simple buy fail. Buy fail. Can you see? Buy fail, A, B, C, touch, drop 30-40 pips. Again, market came to the area, tested the higher region. Okay, maybe we have M1 set up here. So market touched the area and it started dropping again. So it simply means you can see 47, 57.53, 100 pips drop done because of the daily storyline. Okay, so not daily storyline give you the perfect entry only. We have multiple confirmations for sell. We have H1 setup, H4 setup, H4 we have a buy fail. In H1 we have a buy fail, and F15 we have a buy fail. So simply the area was complex. Okay, and then the drop started. Now we have other buy, scalping buys at these areas. M15 is fresh. This M15 fresh. Let me mark it. Okay, so this one, now move to M5, or also we can move to M1 to take the real market, check the real market behavior, and then we can enter into the market. You guys can see we have M1 here. Okay, we have M1 here, but this is only simple M1. We don't have any other structural formations here. Sell fail. So if market forms ABC in the current market, we can go with a buy. But currently market is going down because we don't have ABC pattern in the real market. Okay. So this is how you have to use daily storyline. So this is part 1. Okay, this is part 1 for daily storyline only. And the uses has not been done yet. In the part 2, if I get 50 plus comments on my YouTube channel, then I will upload the other videos. Okay, I will give you the SOP for H4 setup, H1 setup, M15 setup, and also we use M30 sometimes, so that I will also cover up. Okay guys, hope you guys are understanding and you guys can relate it with your theory. Even if we are using any time frame, any engulfing, any SMC, you guys can use daily confirmation, daily storyline for taking confirmation of buy or sell in the market. Okay, if you have any confusion in this topic, you guys can answer a question in the comment section, or you guys can DM us to understand more about it. Okay guys, so waiting for your comments with questions, or I know this is little bit confusing than other topics. So take your time to understand this video, and then we will move to the other topic, other part, and this week. Okay guys, so see you soon. Stay tuned for more.